Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge and I'm gonna show you few screenshot tricks that you should know on this smartphone. So as a first trick I'm gonna show you the useful feature of screenshot. You can find it in the settings, then scroll down a little bit and move to the advanced features. Here tap on screenshot and screen recordings. And as you can see, we have a show toolbar after capturing option. This is the first option. I'm gonna show you how it works. If I take a screenshot by using power button and volume down button, pressing it at the same time, my screen blinks and the screenshot is saved automatically in the gallery. But if I turn on this feature and take one more time the screenshot, I can see the preview of screenshot here and few available options on the bottom menu. So you can edit, share, crop, do whatever you want with a screen. After taking it, you don't need to go to the gallery and do it from the editing. So make sure you activate this feature. So let's move to the second trick, which gonna be, I'm gonna show you. I take a screenshot and here I have a T icon available. Tap on it and my screenshot is highlighted. I can hold my finger on any text and copy this, translate or share to your friend. So it's very useful. I can change the screenshot into text. So I using it a lot. It's very awesome feature. Let's move to the third feature, and it's gonna be enabling the possibility to take a screenshot by using a palm gesture. So to do it, you have to open the settings, move to the advanced features one more time, and here tap on motion and gestures. Now you have to make sure that you have enabled the last option, which is palm swipe to capture. It swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot, and it works like so. As you can see, my screenshot is taken and it's gonna be saved in the gallery. So let's move to the fourth trick, and it's gonna be deleting the screenshot after sharing. So if you take a screenshot only to send it to your friend, and you don't need to save this screenshot on your smartphone's memory, so it's gonna delete after sharing. Very useful. You can read of not important screenshots on your device. It's not gonna be saved in the gallery, so I use it every time. I make sure that this function is open. You have to do it also. To do it, open the settings, move to the advanced features, and here you have opened the screenshot and screen recordings, and here enable the second option, which will be delete after sharing. I love this function. I use it a lot. I have to switch it on. So you can also hide the status and navigation bar in screenshot, and it's gonna be the last trick. If you want to capture only the content or your screen without the time, battery icon or navigation buttons, you can do it by using this feature. So to do it, open the settings, move to the advanced features, select the screenshot and screen recordings, and here enable the third option this time, which is hide status and navigation bars. So if I'm gonna take a screenshot, my screenshot looks like this. As you can see, we don't see the top bar and the bottom keys, so it's super useful if you want to capture only the content of your screen. And that's gonna be all for today. I hope you like this video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!